these reports.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So I want to welcome her and wish her very well, and also point out that having also been running the two ministries for some time now, I have been able to see how closely related agriculture and industry and trade are. And we will be working very, very, very closely in matters that are interlinked between industry and agriculture.
And I look forward to working with many of the people in this room. Some of you I have worked with before closely, some not so much yet because you weren't present in the ministry when I was last here. But you've all moved around government, and government is one. So I look forward to enjoying the collaboration that you have given CS Munya. We congratulate you on your movement to agriculture, which is, I know, very close to your heart. I think as a former governor, as a politician, matters of livelihoods and Kenya being largely agricultural are very close. So you have found yourself also at a place that we are certain you will continue to give a strong contribution. And we look forward to especially working with you on advancing the matters of agricultural trade